Hello friends, welcome to my channel. My name is Virginia. In this tutorial, I will showing you how to make pumpkin Jenga blocks. I will be making 4 pumpkins using 36 blocks. These are the colors that I will be using in this project. I also use raffia to decorate the pumpkins. Twine and hooks are optional. You will also need a sandpaper. This is an overview of the finished products. So let's get started. Step 1. Glue 4 sets of 3 blocks together. Step 2. Glue 8 sets of 2 blocks together. Attach 2 sets of 2 blocks onto the 3-piece set as you are seeing here. If you are new to my channel, thank you so much for stopping by. And if you are return members, thank you so much. Please don't forget to click like, share, and subscribe my channel. And this is what I have so far. You will repeat the same steps onto the other 3 pumpkins. For this project, I use wood glue from Dollar Tree. You can also use E6000s or hot glue for this project. Glue a single piece of Jenga block onto the outer on both sides as you are seeing here. You will repeat the same steps onto the other 3 pumpkins. And this is what I have so far. If you don't want to paint or stain, you can leave it in a natural color as is. However, for this project, I like to paint all the pumpkins to make them look pretty. I am attaching a small cube that I purchased from Dollar Tree onto each pumpkin. Here I'm using chocolate sprinkle to paint onto one of the pumpkins and also onto the 4 cubes. After applied only chocolate sprinkle, I've noticed the color is just too dark, so I decided to add white color onto it. I then reapply onto the 4 cubes to soften the color. There's no right or wrong way. You can attach the cube onto the pumpkin, whether before or after you decide to paint it. For each paint color, I apply at least 2 to 3 coats to ensure good coverage. If you like this look, you can keep them as is. As for this project, I would like to make each pumpkin look vintage. Please don't forget to paint on the bottom of the pumpkin as well. If you want to make the pumpkin garland, you can start adding the eye hook on top of the cube on each pumpkin and insert the twine. Please don't forget to comment down below which color you like best, or if you are going to add this project on your to-do list. Here I'm dry brushing white paint onto each pumpkin. Aside from traditional pumpkin color, if you wish to use different color, I think it would look nice too. After all, this is your creation. Besides using acrylic paint, you can also use any color of stain. Besides using white paint, I also use chocolate sprinkle to dry brush onto each pumpkin. After the paint is dry, I start to sand down in the creases and also on the edge of the Jenga blocks. Use paper towel to remove particles between Jenga blocks. If you have a sanding block, that would be a great option to use. Sanding each pumpkins will take a while, but the result is well worth it. Whether using paint for dry brushing or sanding down each pumpkins, you can do more or less. This depends to your liking. Let's look at the finished product. This is option number one with solid paint that I applied 2 to 3 coats. And this is option number two, tying each pumpkin with the raffia. And lastly, option number three, adding eye hook on top of the cube on each pumpkin and insert with a twine. You can hang it as pumpkin garland. And there you have it, all three options. Once again, thank you so much for supporting my channel. Please don't forget to subscribe, like, and share my videos. Until next time, bye for now.